To link your Crypto.com account to DeFi World, start by opening the Play Store or App Store and searching for the Crypto.com app. Install and open the wallet. Then create a new wallet to view the main scheme. Next, click on the settings icon at the top of the screen, or select the Connect Crypto Account option if available. From there, click on Settings and look for the Connect to Crypto.com option. After clicking on it, check the two boxes and click the Connect button. This will open your browser to the Crypto.com website, where you'll need to enter your Crypto.com app account email and click Send Connection Email. Check your email application. Open the email from Crypto.com and click on the Connect option. You will then be prompted to enter your Crypto.com app passcode and click Continue. Once authorized, you can launch Crypto.com on-chain, which will link your Crypto.com account to your DeFi wallet.